Howard Cooke Primary from St. James goes up against Pembroke Hall Primary from St. Andrew. Time for round 1.
Time now for section 1 of the competition, where both teams will be asked questions alternately with 10 seconds to answer and 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier we had the toss. Pembroke Hall Primary won. They decided to have Howard Cooke Primary play first. This section lasts for 4 minutes. Can I have that time on the clock? We begin with you, Howard Cooke, in Bible knowledge. How many people did Jesus feed with 5 loaves and 2 fish?
5,000.
That's right. Pembroke Hall Bible knowledge. How many baskets of fragments were left over after Jesus fed the multitude of 5,000?
12.
That's right. Howard Cooke science. What are the smallest of the body's blood vessels called?
Arteries.
That's incorrect. It's capillaries. Pembroke Hall science. What percentage of the body is made up of water?
71.
That's incorrect. 21. We were looking for 60 to 70%. Howard Cooke Jamaican affairs. Complete the Jamaican proverb. Deaf is gay.
Hard bite. Hard bites.
That's incorrect. It's liard trouble. Pembroke Hall Jamaican affairs. Complete the Jamaican proverb. Cockroach no business.
In a full fight.
In a full fight.
That's right. Howard Cooke English language. Spell argument.
Argument.
That's incorrect. It's argument. Argument. Pembroke Hall English language. Spell basically.
Basically.
That's correct. Howard Cooke television. What's the name of the prince in Sleeping Beauty?
Prince Philip.
That's right. Pembroke Hall television. Ursula was a character in which Disney movie?
Frozen.
That's incorrect. It's The Little Mermaid. Howard Cooke general knowledge. Which currency is used in Italy?
Euro.
That's right. Pembroke Hall general knowledge. Which currency is used in New Zealand?
Pounds.
That's incorrect. It's the New Zealand dollar. Howard Cooke social studies. The Gulf of Paria is located in which Caribbean country?
Bahamas.
That's incorrect. It's Trinidad and Tobago. Pembroke Hall social studies. Nelson's Dockyard is located in which Caribbean country?
Antigua and Barbuda. Antigua and Barbuda.
That's right. Howard Cooke music. Which American singer was known as the King of Pop?
Michael Jackson.
That's correct. Pembroke Hall music. What's the name of the singer who released the album Mind of Mine?
James Bond.
That's incorrect. It's Zayn Malik. Howard Cooke mathematics. What's the sum of $1.06 and 34 cents?
$1.40.
That's right. Pembroke Hall mathematics. What's the sum of $1.54 and $4.90?
$6.44.
That's right. Howard Cooke sports. What's the nationality of the sprinter Dina Asher Smith?
American.
That's incorrect. It's British. Pembroke Hall sports. What's the nationality of the sprinter Christian Coleman?
American. No. All right.
American.
That's correct. Howard Cooke Jamaican affairs. Who is the chairman of the Jamaica Police Federation?
Say it. Archibald Gardner.
That's incorrect. It's Arlene McBean. Pembroke Hall Jamaican affairs. Who is the president of the Bustamante Industrial Trade Union?
Bobsy Grange. Olivia Bobsy Grange.
Olivia Bobsy Grange.
That's incorrect. It's actually Cavan Gale. And that bell signifies the end of section 1.
After the bell, Pembroke Hall Primary is ahead on 6 points, and Howard Cooke Primary follows with 5 points. During the round, both teams were asked 11 questions each.
Don't go anywhere. The Junior Challenge Face-Off is up next.